What is the remainder when the difference of 345,678 is divided by 9? So, ang base po natin dito is 1 million. And hahanapin po natin ang deficit o deficiency po nila. Then after that, ay i-divide po natin sa 9. So, from this number here, since ang base natin ay 1 million, i-apply po natin ang all from 9 and the last by 10. So, we have 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 10 minus 8 is 2. So, ito na po ang ating i-divide. Kasi po, sinubtract nga po natin yung 1 million at saka itong number na to. Ito po ang sagot. Hindi pa po tayo tapos kasi kailangan nating hanapin ang kanyang remainder pag dinivide po natin sa 9. So, paano natin gagawin yon? So, gagamitin po natin ang Nikkalam division po ng sa sutra po ng Vedic. So, we have, ito pong si 6, yung first number natin po dito ay i-bring down lang po natin. And then, we have yung second number at yung ating sagot ay ipag-a-add. So, we have 6 plus 5 is 11. Nandito po yung 1, carry po natin yung 1 dito. And then, we have 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. And then, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Nandito po yung 1. Andito po yung remainder na 1. Then, 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Our whole remainder is 4.